YouTube, welcome back, guys. It is boredom killing time. It's like 8 in the morning and I got a brake job to do, so it's about to be a quick, easy little video. All the gentleman wants is me just to do a pad swap. It's a Ford Escape. It only has pads in the front, so let's get it. So guys, I'm working the driver's side and you can see all of that dust in there. So it's always good, make sure you clean it. He said it was vibrating real good when he was driving it, so that would explain some vibrations. It's shearing away a lot of his dust in the inside. And it looks something fancy was happening right here. But let's get it. Alright, so you can see these are the worn pads. And that's a good one. You can see the difference of it's a big difference. This is the back of the caliper, this is the front. So guys, people say I'm a conspiracy theorist about the government and companies trying to F you. So I don't have the right tool to remove. I need a hex socket to loosen the brakes. So when you look at this, look at that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me get clear. 7, 8, 10. Who counts like that? Like, you telling me you didn't skip anything but 1. So we got the 9 mil. That's just, it's horrible that they do you like that. You buy this kit, you crack it open, then they won't return it. Some places won't take it back, because what you need isn't in there. Okay, so when you're working by yourself and you don't want to exert yourself real hard, you gotta work smarter, guys. And once you get it moving, stop for a second, because you build up a lot of heat, and you can strip it. Okay, when I'm jacking up vehicles and I don't have a jack high enough or could reach high enough, just take some scrap wood, stack it up. Oh, can you hand me the pole? Yeah. Okay, when you're jacking it up, you want to look for a pinch point. Okay, so your adjuster is a 9 mil. Also, you want to take off your caps. There's caps, 2 caps. Take those 2 off. And then your assembly is right here. That's 3/4. And there's 1 at the top and 1 way down there, right there at the bottom. Okay, now what you want to do is remove the front pad.
Both of them. I might need them.
Where's the other screwdriver?
Got a better edge on
it. And what that does is make it easier to pivot up and down.
Separates these two from that.
Pull that out. Now we're going to use a C-clamp to depress it.
Can you go and get us new tools? That is your new pager. You have a screwdriver, everything.
You do the back one first?
Now you want to pop this one off.
Right.
Yep.
That's why I say you want me to do the back
Yeah.
one first. And now I need the new one. Box is over here.
Okay, baby, here I come. So you got
This one looks nice and new and clean.
Yes, it does.
The other one was dark and rusted.
Okay, there you go. Yeah, the camera's catching it, so I'll be back.
Trying to get the clip. There.
I have two jobs. Your job. I didn't know what to do. I keep taking it. I was thinking I was doing it. I didn't know what to do. Okay, this time see this how each one. So where do we keep our cars?
It should slip in there, but it doesn't.
Yeah, we don't keep them in the. No, we keep them right here. Keep them right here.
What happened?
It doesn't want to go.
Now we're gonna go up and we can sit down.
She needs a man, guys.
You have to get hired by me.
Ouch.
You're gonna get hired by me or her?
Where's that screwdriver?
I've been doing that.
Yeah, just,
You have to do it in groups.
ouch.
Come here. If I get Number one, what is your favorite color? Okay, that's good. Number two. Oh, okay, that's good. Number two.
Looks like he needs a man too.
I think I got it.
That's what I thought.
Let me see.
No, just strong springs in it. Clips, I should say.
One more question. If Tennessee takes 5 from a crowd,
You gotta push it down.
Oh, yeah.
how many spearheads are still alive?
Working against iron.
How many you had?
Don't you stab me.
So we're having an issue putting the pad in, and whoever was the mechanic before us didn't attach the adjuster. It's not attached. So we're fighting against ourselves. On top of, these are not 9mm on this side. We're about to figure out what they are. Hey! Stop.
Oh, that thing's loose. Okay.
Alright, now flip it on.
Let me make sure I'm not twisting that.
Yeah, you're going that way.
Pinch my finger.
Nothing fancy. AutoZone .3. We not bleeding the brakes unless we have to, and the reason being is because we did not crack the line. We just depressed it with a C-clamp. So we're gonna do a couple of test runs, and if everything pans out, we'll bleed them if necessary. And we're just cleaning them because there was good practices, but also when they're really hard on there, you get a lot of metal shavings.
Brake dust.
So you want to get them clean and then re-lube them.
And then I do a little extra and dust them. I'm gonna rattle loose like that.
All right, guys. Thanks for coming. Spot you in the next one. You give me a thumbs up? I get a thumbs up? A download? Spot you in the next one.